Three families starting a new chapter together. These are our Papineau Homes.
And here we are, arriving.
Oh yeah, we all do. That's right.
Oh, it's gonna be muddy.
Already puddles.
We're not even at the driveway. Oh my, what? Yeah, this is the driveway. We're still at the driveway. Yeah.
Oh, look, we can see. We can see it. Oh, it's in the distance.
Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, like a little bit.
Teeny tiny.
It's a tiny house. Are we going there?
We're gonna live in there, darling.
And we have that. Like, are we allowed in there?
It's ours.
Ours now.
It's ours, babies.
My brain's broken.
Look
Why
how,
is your brains broken? Oh my goodness, it's so grown in. We're gonna have to trim all of this.
Yeah, it's definitely in more than I thought it would do it.
You're gonna have a big garden.
The biggest garden. Look at this. Look at this.
And those trees are ours. Like those trees that you see are ours. This
All
is not even all of our property.
I know, it's crazy.
Hey everyone, it's Kevin, and it is moving day. Today is one of the early steps in getting us moved into the new property in Northern Ontario. And it all starts with loading up some trucks and getting the stuff on the road. I'm recovering from recent surgery, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of heavy lifting today. So it's my job to record lots of content, testing out my new camera and video equipment. So we'll see how that goes. How are you feeling today, Bernie?
Oh, I'm feeling great. A few hiccups on the way, but we're getting through with coffee.
How important is it to stay hydrated?
Oh, it's absolutely. Oh no! There's like 34 degrees with the humidex right now, so yes.
Stay hydrated. kind of spooky as fuck out here. Can't see a thing. It is like almost 10 o'clock at night, so the sun is long gone down. I can kind of see a little bit of fog, but you probably can't pick it up on the camera. I can see headlights in the distance. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It's coming down the driveway. Yeah, you can kind of see it on camera, a little bit. I'm sure they're taking their time right now because it's like visibility is like near zero. I took some photos before, sort of like down in the valley where fog was starting to build up. The fog has gotten significantly denser. I don't even know how to find them on the viewfinder. There we go. You can kind of see headlights off in the distance, sort of. I don't know if it's worth trying to zoom in or what. Yep, there we go. There we go. See that? Let's zoom in on that as close as I can. You see that? Look at that light. It's picking up all the fog now, and it's just like... And there's like puddles and stuff that it's shining off of as well. Let's see a little more. So we've got 26-foot truck and a 15-foot truck towing a 8x5 trailer. Slowly making their way up this uneven driveway up to the shoe here at Papineau Homes. Papineau Homes project. Very exciting.
Holy. It is dark, man.
It is.
I couldn't even see anything. You can't even see it.
No.
Yeah.
I know.
It is.
I was trying to I mean, I'm sure my pupils are like dilated huge right now. But it's like, I can kind of see the headlights coming down the driveway, but there's like, fog has built up in the valley too. So it's like, it's so...
Oh, my lights are still on.
Can I just get a picture with like you? No, I can't even.
Please press the like button if you think we've earned it. Subscribe to the channel for updates as we continue our journey.